Hello again, dear colleagues. I thought that it could be nice to have a video answer instead of plain simple written answer into our discussion, because we are talking about gear, and to me at least it's very useful when you guys are showing your gear and the way you manage to do the things right, or amazingly right times. So what I think is that Sam Ferrara is right. In my opinion, also, the most important thing is to have the gear that serves a purpose. But I'm also agreeing with Costas, that is saying that in this case, in the case you presented, it might be of use to use the XLR adapter from Panasonic. At least I'm using it, and that's why I think this video answer could be interesting. And as you can see, it's light enough and has a small enough footprint to allow me to mount it on a Ronin S and balancing the Ronin S without any issues. In fact, I am recording right now the sound of my voice through this Sennheiser receiver. It's an AVX Sennheiser receiver, and I think this is light enough, at least for me and for the work I'm doing. So this is it. Thank you for watching, and seeing you on the next Video Tool School episode, or here on our Facebook GH5S owners group. Bye bye.